Had it for about a year now, close to it, getting there. It is a Greenworks brand with a 40-volt lithium battery on here. This one came with a attachment on here. It's standard attachment. You can actually disconnect it right here. Comes off for easier storage, I suppose, or carrying along in a machine, a tractor, something works good. But we don't use this for blowing leaves. No, we use this for cleaning dust off of machines quickly. We like to use this, especially if you're out in the field and whatnot, or you know, just want to do a quick job. When we do our thorough cleans, we'll still use air compressors yet. But this thing, though, surprisingly, it works pretty darn good so far. I'll have a link to it in the description below. I am not endorsed by this. I paid for this with my own money. This is my thing, so this is, you know, honest review as it's gonna get, so nothing to sway me. But it's not too expensive for this part. What's the most expensive on these things are the batteries. I don't know why they are, they just are, but it's got pretty good battery life. I don't know, I actually haven't had this thing drained down all the way. I think it's still at, yeah, it's at 100%. Oh, nope, it's at 75% right now. I like that. It's got a quick little battery tester on here, how much charge is left. Like I say, at full speed, it would probably last for 20 minutes at least, full speed. And yeah, it blows pretty good, especially on this attachment. It's got a high pressure and low pressure, just a little blade in there, or fin, that either has the hole open a little bit wider, as it is right now, or closing it off to make more high pressure than a higher pressure. So it is variable speed. Right here is your dial. 1 is slowest, 6 is fastest, and 99% of the time I have it on 6, most all the time. So pretty much your on-off switch right here. It came with a battery charger too. Got it up here. I think when the battery's completely dead, it might take 2 hours to charge. I'm not sure how it goes again. It might be about 2 hours if it's fully dead battery. I know there's another battery you can get instead too. I think it's a 4 amp hour battery for even longer life yet. Pretty easy to remove though. Slides out and you slide it in, whatever. But yeah, but this is what makes this thing add to the price is the battery. I don't know what, it's kind of a proprietary battery on this thing. But we'll see how long it lasts though. So far, using in the wintertime and whatnot, and you know, using it on the bale processor, the baler, the combine, tractors, for the windows specifically, and it's worked pretty good. Like, it's lightweight, and it blows decently too. I don't have really anything to test it out on, like, for demonstration purposes, because, well, either everything's in the building or kind of cleaned up already. But I know there's some dust on back of this truck here, just for demonstration purposes. So like I said, I've never really had this thing on low speed before. This is low speed though. Still moves a decent amount of air. Low speed, high speed, moves a bit of air. Stuff that's even caked on here. There's some chaff here. It's been laying here for a while. It's been laying here for 2 weeks, I think, this stuff. Move rocks too. It does a pretty good job. I like it. Here's some stuff in the header here. I wonder if it'll actually blow this stuff out. Oh yeah. Easy peasy. That's what I like, is this long spout. I like the long spout down here. You can reach a little bit easier than direct airflow more, but yeah. I guess it's the first leaf blower I've ever had, I guess, so I have not really nothing to compare it to, but it works pretty good though. I like it. We'll see, because I've had it just almost a year. It won't be till this winter, but like I say, I've used it in the winter months too. Pulling off the bale processor and the windows on the Massey and the ACO, and then the combine used it on, and the baler, tractors, windows, and whatnot. So yeah, I mean it's pretty lightweight. There's hardly anything. The weight is the battery. That's where your weight comes from. And like I say, the machine itself, the tool itself, isn't very expensive at all. It's pretty cheap, but it's just the battery. It's a kind of a proprietary battery, kind of a special battery. Call it the G-Max. But yeah, yep, still shows 75% yet after doing that a little bit. I know the batteries, you can get different batteries for it, but like I say, you really pay for this. So the main thing about this is, how long is the battery gonna last? What's the lifespan on this thing? So, and as well as how much this machine holds up with dirt and debris and vibrations and whatnot. So we'll find out. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please comment, subscribe, and yeah, so far I like this thing. I like it. Works good. I did a lot of shopping, or I should say research, both just farm stores and then online, looking at different brands, and you know, this kind of seemed to fit the bill. It wasn't too terribly expensive, and you know, good air pressure. Works good, I guess. So don't really have any complaints on it, I guess. One little minor thing is sometimes the battery doesn't like to seat sometimes. If you don't have it in all the way, you kind of do have to slam it in a little bit. Once it gets in, kind of just use your hand to slam it in. So yeah. So oh, there you go. There's the Greenworks leaf blower. Not really used for leaves around here. It's used for farm work, I guess. There, and charging. Get that sucker charged up, so it's ready to go again. Full charge. So there you go.